what if you could add AI superpowers to your Apache Airflow pipelines with just a simple decorators? Well, today I'm introducing the Airflow AI SDK, a game changer for integrating LLMs and AI agents directly into your data workflows. So without further ado, let's begin. Here's the thing, LLMs are powerful, but in production, they need more than just API calls. They need retry logic, monitoring, scheduling, and proper orchestration. That sounds familiar? Well, that's exactly what Apache Airflow does best. Teams are already using Airflow for their data pipelines, so why not use the same battle-tested framework for AI workflows? So let me introduce to you the Airflow AI SDK. The Airflow AI SDK brings AI capabilities to Airflow through simple Python decorators. Built on Pydantic AI, it gives you type-safe outputs, supports all major AI models, OpenAI, Anthropic, Gemini, you name it, and integrates seamlessly with your existing Airflow setup. The SDK provides 4 powerful decorators. The first one is Task LLM. This is perfect for single LLM calls with structured outputs. For example, for classification, extraction, or generation tasks. Second, you have the Task Agent for multi-step AI reasoning with custom tools. Think web search, API calls, or complex decision making. Also, you have the Task LLM branch. I love that one because this gives you AI-powered DAG branching. You can let AI decide your workflow's path, which is super powerful. And finally, Task Embed for generating vector embeddings essential for RAG applications. Let me show you how simple this is. Here is a sentiment analysis task in just 8 lines of code. We use the Task LLM decorator, specify our model, in this case GPT-4o mini, define the output type as positive, negative, or neutral, and provide a system prompt. The function receives the text from the DAG run configuration. You know, when you trigger your DAG, you can pass this text, and returns it. The SDK handles the LLM call, parsing and validation automatically. And that's it. Just like that, you've got AI-powered sentiment analysis in your pipeline. I mean, that is so simple. But here is where it gets really powerful. Instead of just strings, you can use Pydantic models for complex structured outputs. Look at this product feedback model. It has sentiment, category, and urgency fields. The LLM's output is automatically parsed and validated against this schema, which means no more regex parsing or hoping the LLM formats things correctly, which is really time-saving. Now, maybe you need more than single LLM calls. Well, guess what? There is the agent decorator that lets you build sophisticated AI workflows. In this example, that research agent can search the web using DuckDuckGo, fetch page content, and summarize information, all within your Airflow task. Imagine automating competitive analysis, market research, or documentation generation. Now let's move to one of my favorite features, which is the AI-powered branching. This support ticket router uses AI to classify tickets by priority and routes them to different downstream tasks. P0 tickets go to the critical response team, P1 to standard support, and so on. But the point here is that the AI makes the routing decision based on the ticket content, so no more complex rule engines. So if you used to use the branch Python operator, you can think of it as the smart branch Python operator, which is super powerful in many use cases. And in fact, there are many real-world use cases in which you can use the AI SDK. Teams are already using this for content moderation, filtering harmful content before it reaches users, for support automation, intelligently routing and prioritizing tickets, for personalized email generation at scale, or for automated research with proper citations. The possibilities are endless when you combine AI with the Airflow orchestration power. So if you are ready to try it, getting started is super easy. Just pip install Airflow AI SDK with your preferred model provider. Or if you want to see it in action right away, clone our examples repository. It includes a complete Airflow environment with 5 ready-to-run AI pipelines. Just use the Astro CLI to spin it up locally. To sum up, why choose the Airflow AI SDK? Well, it is production ready from day one, built on Airflow proven foundation. It is Model agnostic, use any LLM provider or even custom models. Type safety with Pydantic means fewer runtime errors, and you get full observability through the Airflow UI. And obviously, it scales with your Airflow deployment. I mean, the AI SDK will save you a lot of time if you want to integrate LLM in your workflows. Finally, keep in mind that the Airflow AI SDK is open source, so you can definitely contribute to the project, and you can use it right now to start building amazing AI pipelines. Don't hesitate to start the GitHub repository, that will help a lot, and check out the documentation if you want to learn more about it. So that's it for the AI SDK. You will see in the next video how to build a data pipeline with it. So I hope to see you again for the next one. Take care and see you soon.